Good morning, children. So, in last week we have completed first chapter, that is lines and rays. So, we have completed first chapter, lines and rays. Okay. Any doubts in the first chapter, children? Points means what? Can locate the, it helps to locate the position of the object. Okay. And next, lines means when infinite number of points are joined together, they form a line. Okay, line can be extended on both sides. So line can be represented as both sides having arrows. So we can extend on both sides. Okay, ma. And next, ray. Ray has starting point and there is no ending point. So ray, how can you represent ray? We can extend one side means you can write as arrow on one side. Okay. And next, line segment. Line segment has no arrows are there. So it has a starting point and ending point. It can't extend on any side. Okay. That is the difference between line and line segment. And how to measure line segment with ruler also we learned. Okay. Now we are going to the second chapter. Angles around you. Angles around you. Angles around you. So what are called angles, children? What are called angles? Can you observe in YouTube or any shooting? Before shooting, they are using clapboard is there. Okay, before shooting, they are using clapboard like this. Okay, start, clap, start like that. They are using a clapboard. No, no. See here, page number, studio page number 17. See this one. Rohan uses a clapperboard during a movie shoot. So Rohan used a clapperboard. Clapperboard means this one. Okay. During a movie shoot, match the clapstick portion with the correct shape. See here, this clapperboard, it will be rotate like this. Okay. So start clapboard like that they will say. Okay, that is the clapperboard. So here some positions are given. You have to match it. Okay, first one. What is this position? It will be rotate like this, no? So what is this position? Yes, this one. You have to match like this. And next one, it will be very small angle. It will be rotate some only. Okay, so you have to match like this. And this one, like this. So this one, you have to match like this. Okay, ma'am? Now turn the page. In page 2.1, every time Rohan opens the clapperboard, the clapstick rotates away from the slate. So here Rohan uses clapperboard. So every time the clapstick rotates away from the slate. See here. See here. This is the clapperboard, no? It will be rotate like this from the slate. It will be rotate like this from the slate. So every time it will be rotate like this only. When a line segment rotates away from another, they form an angle. When a line segment rotates from another, they form an angle. Suppose so it is a clapperboard. It will be rotate like this. Okay, ma'am. Then it will be rotated like this, then it will become to same position like this. Okay. So where it is angle formed here? Yes, here it is formed an angle. Here it is formed an angle. So what do you call this one? It is a line segment. It is a line segment. It is also a line segment. So when two line segments form at common point, formed at common point, they form an angle. When two line segments When two line segments join at common point, they form an angle. That is called an angle. So the angle is formed at a common point of two line segments is called an angle. Okay. So how the angle formed? When two line segments are joined at a common point are called an angle. Did you understand now? Now open your CWs, all of you. Open your CWs. Put the heading angles around you. Put the heading angles around you. Then write the definition angle. The angle is formed at a common point of the two line segments of the two line segments. The angle is formed at a common point of the two line segments. Now I am going to draw two line segments. Okay. This is one line segment. This is another line segment. This is C, A, B. This is C, A, B. What is the common point here? For these two line segments, what is the common point here? C. Common point is C. What do you call this one? This common point is called vertex. What do you call? Vertex. Where the two line segments are joined at common point are called vertex. What do you call this one? Vertex. Common point is called vertex. It will form here angle. Here formed an angle. Okay, children? Come on, write. Draw this picture also. The common point C is called vertex. What do you call common point C is called vertex. And what do you call CA and CB? This CA and CB are called arms of the angle. Okay. CA and CB are called arms of the angle. CA and CB are called arms of the angle. And what is the symbol of angle? What is the symbol of angle? This is the symbol of angle. Okay. The symbol of angle is like this. Come on, write. Next fourth point, write there. Because here not there place means I am writing here. You should continue there. Okay, third point also you should write fourth point. So how can you write this one? It can be written as, how can you write this one? Angle ACB. Angle ACB, or you can write angle BCA. Angle BCA. You can remember this one, children. So where the common point is there, that is called vertex, we know. So this vertex can be written as always written in the middle only. Okay. So the vertex can be written as always in the middle only. So how can you write this one? Angle ACB or angle BCA. Okay. So the vertex can be written as in the middle only. Okay, ma. Come on, write. Next, just to your next page, see children, 19th page. Can two rays starting at a common point form an angle? Explain your answer with an example. So can two rays starting at a common point? Two rays are starting at a common point or not, children? Yes. See here. This is a ray. Ray has starting point. Okay. And there is no end. This is called a ray. Okay. A, B. Okay. Next. Again I am drawing another ray. Here this is a starting point. This is a not an ending point. It has an arrow. So these two rays has a common point is there or not? Yes, these two rays has a common point is there. It forms an angle or not, children? Yes, it forms an angle. That is the answer. Okay, children? So can two rays starting at a common point form an angle? Yes. Yes, the two rays starting at a common point and form an angle. You can write an example here. In this box, you should write like this. So here you should write C. In this ray, which one is vertex here, children? Which one is vertex? Vertex means what I told. Where the two line segments or rays join at common point. Where is the common point here? Here common point is there. So what is the vertex here? A is the vertex. A is the vertex. That nothing but it vertex is nothing but corner. So it is a is called a vertex. Then how can you write this one? What is the name of this angle? Angle BAC. Angle BAC or angle CAB. CAB. Okay, ma'am. You can write like that also. So you can write your own here. Did you understand, ma'am? Already I told this one, no? You can write in your own words and write one, draw one ray, two rays here, form an angle. Okay, that is the homework for you. And next, see, find angles in the bicycle and mark the arms. Name the angles one is done for you. So here an angle is drawn here, see. Angle ABC or angle CBA. Angle ABC is there. Here vertex is common vertex is what is that? B. Like that in this bicycle where the angles formed you should find out and name that angles. Okay. See here it is also a common angle. Here form an angle. Here form an angle. Here see. Here all the circles are there. Here you have to form an angle. So many angles are formed here. Like this. Here also angle form. Here also angle form. Like that you should mention angles and keep the names there. That is the homework for you. Did you understand, children? What is the homework? This one and this one. And next open companion. Companion page number 7. Companion page number 7. Get up. Identify the elements as a point, line segment or rays. One is done for you. So here some are given. You should identify whether it is a point, whether it is ray, whether it is line or line segment. You should write. So here see first one. Starting point is there. Here arrow mark is there. So what do you call this one? Ray. So if there they already wrote here ray. Like that you should write. Whether it is line means you should write line. Whether it is point means write point like that. Okay, ma? This one, page number 7. And next turn the companion, page number 9. Page number 9. Write the name, vertex and arms of the following angles. One is done for you. Okay, you should do this one. See here, A. Here it is angle form. Here two rays are given. See, two rays. Here starting point is an arrow. Starting point is an arrow. So this is two rays form an angle. So name angle ABC. Angle ABC. vertex. What is called vertex? Common point is here B. So point B vertex. And arms. What are the arms here? BA, BC. BA and BC are arms. So here represent a ray symbol. BA, BC symbol. Okay. Now here. Name. What is his name? Can you tell me? Angle TQR. Angle TQR or RQP. Anyone you should write here. Okay. And next vertex. What is a vertex here? What is the common point here? Q. Okay. Point Q. And arms. What are the arms here? QP, QR. QP and QR. Like that you should do this one. Okay. This is the homework. So today what is the homework, children? In studio, page number 19. 2.2, 2.3 and companion page number 7. In companion page number 7, you should represent here, and page number 9. Page number 9 you have to write till the blanks here. That is the homework, children. Okay, children, any doubts now? So today what we learned today's class? The angle is formed at a common point of the two line segments. What we learned? Angles. Okay. So what is called an angle? It is formed at a common point of the two line segments or two rays also. Okay. So common point of the two line segments, it forms an angle. Okay. So what do you call this one? Angle ACB or angle BCA. What is called vertex here? Where the two line segments join at common point. Okay, so here common point is C. So what is called this C? C is called a vertex. And next arms CA, CB are arms of the angle. And what is the symbol of angle? Symbol of an angle is this is a symbol. Okay. And next, did you? It is formed an angle by two rays. Yes, it forms an angle of two rays like this. Okay. Can you do homework, children? It's very easy now. Okay, we'll meet on the next class, children.